In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add your profile picture in Outlook. Your profile picture is what people see next to your name in emails, meetings, and across other Microsoft apps. So it's worth taking a moment to set it up properly. I'll walk you through the process step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in with the account whose picture you want to change. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see either your initials in a small circle or an existing photo if one is already set. Go ahead and click on that circle. This opens a small account menu where you'll see your name, email, and a few options related to your profile. In that menu, look for an option that lets you view or manage your account or profile. When you click that, Outlook will take you to your account page in a browser window. This is where your profile details live, including your picture. On this account page, hover over or click on the current profile image area. If you don't have one yet, it might just show your initials or a generic icon. You should see an option to add or change your photo. Click that, and a file picker window will open on your computer. Now choose the picture you want to use. For best results, pick a clear, professional-looking image where your face is centered and well lit. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Outlook will usually let you adjust the crop, so take a moment to move or resize the image so your face is framed nicely. When you're happy with how it looks, confirm or save the change. After saving, your new profile picture may take a few moments to update across Outlook and other Microsoft apps. You can return to the Outlook window and, if needed, close and reopen it, or refresh the page if you're using Outlook on the web. You should now see your new photo in the top right corner, and it will appear next to your name when you send emails. If the change doesn't show up immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it just needs a little time to sync. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed or added your profile picture in Outlook.